Okay, when you're reassembling the clock, it's easy to get the hour hand in the correct position because there's a screw here, corresponds with the screw there. So you know that would be 4 o'clock. The minute hand, however, sits on this square arbor here. You need to know whether it's at 12, 3, 6 or 9 o'clock. Well, on the hour there's a pin here. This pin trips the hour mechanism to strike the hour. We know now that that hour hand, that's the 12 o'clock position for the hour hand. So when we fit in the movement back on the dial, we need to put the minute hand in the appropriate position. So we'll make it trip on the hour position, and then we know where to put the minute hand. Tension washer goes there, and the pin goes through the hole on the end of the minute arbor. Very important to check that the hour hand is not connecting or interfering with the seconds hand. In this case it's fine.